How to fix URL signature expired on Messenger. So if you want to fix your URL signature expired on your Messenger, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings application. Under your settings, you need to scroll down and go with apps. Now from your apps, you need to go with manage apps, and under manage apps, you need to search for Messenger. After opening your Messenger, you can just simply go and force stop the application. On the bottom left, you will have force stop option. You need to go and force stop it and go with clear data and tap on clear cache and tap on OK. Once you've cleared your cache, now here you will have other permissions. You need to tap on it, and then here under other permissions, you may have open supported links option. So you just need to simply go with that option, and then you need to allow the application to open supported links. You can also go back, and then under your settings you can simply search for supported links or just simply search for links. And once you find the option of open supported links, you need to go and allow the application, the Messenger, to open the supported links. Once you turn it on, you can just simply go and restart your device and it will fix your problem. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.